Happy Freebie Friday, everyone, and Valentine's Day and whatever else it may be today. I could not figure out what to do for Freebie Friday, so I thought that I would show you guys how I black out the eyes in my portraits. It's a few simple steps. A lot of people think that it's more in depth than what it actually is. So as always, catch lights are one of the most important things, whether you're trying to convey your person as dead or alive. If they don't have those catch lights, it's the image is not going to look right. They are going to look dead when they're alive, and they're not going to make a very believable dead person. So what I'm going to do, let me find my, I think it's those right there. Okay, so there's her normal eyes. Let me get rid of the tears too, if I can. I think that might be them. Okay. So when you are ready to do your eyes, all that I do, I get a new layer here, and I'm going to label this so that I don't lose it. Okay, I'm going to make sure that my foreground is set to black. I'm going to get my brush, and I am going to set the hardness of my brush at about 50. And then I am just going to paint over the eye. And I'm comfortable enough to do both eyes on the same layer. For me, it's easier. If you choose to do one eye on one layer and one eye on another layer, that's completely fine too. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go to filter and blur, and I'm going to blur these out just a little bit. 10 is too much. About 3. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to put a layer mask on that, and I am going to lower the opacity so that I can see through it. I'm going to zoom in, and then I am going to paint off where that catch light is. Okay. I'm going to raise the opacity of that layer all the way back up. I'm going to add another layer. Whoops, this is going to be 2, isn't it? Okay. And then what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to go around about right there. I'm going to go around the outside. And then come and I'm going to do this one too. I'm going to come back, and I am going to blur this out as well. This one's going to be a little bit more than 3 though. Let's try 10. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to do the corner. So I'm going to add one more layer. And with my black brush again, I'm going to make sure that the opacity of my brush is 30. And then I'm just going to tap it over the corner of the eye just a couple times. And there you have it.